Alright, I'm recording, okay? You ready to go? Burners. Who is pushing burners right now? Burners. 3, 2, 1. Good enough. Alright, ready for it. Flaps. Alright, boys. Future, I want you in the formation. Get in slot. Yep, what are we about, okay? Alright, boys, so first, Future, don't go in yet. Okay, so, dead. No, back out, Future, back out. Okay, Maverick and Viper, I want you guys in first. And once you guys are in, I want you to I want you to stay clear. And then, alright, Viper, get in. And once you're in, stay clear. No flaps. Alright, Future, good movement. Also, all units slowing down. Caution. Thank you. I know I lag. Alright, boys, no, alright, dead. No, Viper, remember, literal millimeter movements, okay? Millimeters, for both of you guys. Viper, you're moving your stick a lot, okay? Just bring it in, boys, bring it in. Kind of bobbling around, but... Alright, boys, all ready, hard right, okay? Hard right, 3, 2, 1. Hard rudder right. And ease the pull. Level. All smoke on. Ready now. Alright, boys, let's try to angle this. Ready, angle, 45, left, now. Blue engine formation check, no more Bradshaw, check. Keep it in. And level. I know. Listen, if I start lagging, you don't have to do formation included. Also, red comms. Understood. Smoke off. Yo, minor adjustments, both of you. And that's wing fold. Okay. Okay, so Future down. He clicks wing fold. Yo. Get your canopy next to my